VINCENZO'S Go Crypto Investing, and we have a hot market going on this evening. And real quick, if to support the channel is really easy, right? You just go down into my links and you just support the channel by using these wonderful products like Bitget, $5,000 in initial deposit requirements based on your initial deposit requirements, right? And then fight inflation by buying silver from a great website that I use. It's one of the biggest bullion dealers in the United States. It's 100% insured, and they have the cheapest competitive prices out there. They are one of the cheapest out there, closest to spot prices you can get, right? And then NordVPN. Online security is key, and I do use NordVPN, right? I've used it for 2 years. It's got a great discount right now. If you're going to use NordVPN, support the channel, use my links, and my channel is free because of the links that I use, the products that I use. If you shop on Amazon, use my Amazon link, right? All those links support the channel and keeps the station free. And these are things and links that I use. I buy bullion off that dealership or off that bullion dealer, right? And I use NordVPN. And you can see Bitcoin real quick. We're going to do a roundtable. You can see it's pumped successfully off the 50-day moving average again. And if we zoom into the highly volatile market, and that's why that Bitget link's down there if you want to trade this volatility. But you can see in the 1 hour time frame, we hit a little double bottom off of here, off of our support zone that we were watching from this morning on, again, if you go to our Twitter, right? Where's our Twitter at? If you go to the Twitter and you go to the profile and you can see this morning our tweet laid this out for you, right? We have some nice videos. We get a lot of views on here, which I like. You can see we laid it out for you this morning. Bitcoin remains bullish. Lower support is 23,869 and has to hold that to remain bullish. And we hit today 24,170. The 23,000 was actually, it had been yesterday, right? But it bounced off that support line that we were talking about. And now again, it's sitting up here where it's been rejected, 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 and now we're back up here again. Can it finally power through and try to make a move towards the upside at this major upper resistance at 30,000 to 28,000? Or is it going to run out of steam again and then trade back down yet again to our underneath support? That's what you got to watch out for in the next few hours to few days, as this market is highly volatile right now. And you can see when you come down, if you come down now and this peters out, you want to hold the 200-day moving average, right? If you do something like this, that'd be very bearish. You want to hold the moving averages as the 50 is going to be uptrending and the 200 is going to be falling right below it. You want to hold these moving averages as support to continue up in this little massive rally that we were in this evening. But Ethereum, you can see, had this nice pump, had a similar triple bottom formation there, and it had a beautiful pump. But this looks like the dinosaur pattern that I call it, and they like to break back down to the 200-day. And if this comes back down to the 200-day, that's going to be critical for Ethereum to hold that and maybe make a reload and try to hit our upper target that we're also close up here at 2169. If this fails to hold the 50 on the way down, you would most likely come back to the 200 and a back test of the 1669 horizontal underneath support, right where the 200-day moving average is, right? So this is a critical area right here on the 50-day moving average in red right there. If we look at Dogecoin, Dogecoin is sitting up here after bouncing, and this is what I've been waiting to see if XRP would do. It's in a similar spot. Cardano already made the move, and then now you can see this big wick right here with Doge. That's usually signifying the sellers are coming back into the market and the price is going to come down to the moving averages, but we'll watch out and see if that actually does play out. Usually when you see a big wick like that in a reversal, the price can still come up in the year, but eventually it likes to roll back over and retest the moving averages underneath. We'll see what happens. This is a critical blue fib circle up here, right? We can darken that up, make it more visible. See that fib circle? That's a critical fib circle. If you want to get bullish, you got to hold the moving averages down here and then try to get on top of this and then force your way out of the last line of defense, aka get my shit together zone to the shit house in orange, right? And that's the short term. What you're looking at there, your major underneath support is at the 6 3/4.